Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial we'll walk through strings. So specifically in Python, strings are a derived data type to store a sequence of characters such as numbers, words, or special characters like your punctuation marks, your commas, exclamation marks, or full stop, or any of your special characters like your @ symbol or your hashtag symbol. And the syntax for strings in Python is they are surrounded by either single quotes or double quotes, or triple single or double quotes can also be used to create multi-line strings, and these are typically used for documentation purposes, which are known as doc strings. So in our first example here, we have 3 print functions, each with different string values. This first Python string was created using single quotes, and the second Python string here was created using double quotes, and then we have a multi-line string using triple double quotes, and our string is split across 3 lines. So if we run this first block, we'll see 3 outputs. So one is our first Python string, and then second Python string, followed by our last print function here with 3 lines for our multi-line string. Now, strings as a data type, this value can be assigned to a variable. In this case, we are assigning the hello string variable name with the value hello, and then world string with the value hello, and that variable assignment is using the equal sign in Python. And strings in Python are arrays of bytes that represent Unicode characters. So unlike other programming languages, for example, low-level languages like C, Python does not have a character data type. Now, a single character in Python is just a string with a length of 1. So for example, if we create a variable 1 character or 1 char here with the value just the letter A, to check the length of this string, we can pass in the variable name here to the length function. So 1 char, and then we run this, we see that it has a length of 1. And so and we can check the type here. So this would just be a string type. So to check the data type, we pass in the variable name 1 char to the function type, and we can see the type for 1 char, the value that it holds, A, is a string. And then we can also concatenate strings. So going back to the 2 variables we created, hello string and world string, we can combine both to print hello world. But if we just concatenate it without the white space here, it will just be 1 word. So if we concatenate both, this will just print 1 word. So to add a space between hello and world, we can add in concatenate here, this white space. So this is just the double quotes with a empty space. And so this white space will separate the 2 words hello and world. And so here we have hello world separately. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.